Hello friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back to this GenAI learning video series. This is GenAI with Python series. In one of the previous videos, you learned how to create GenAI email generator. Basically, we use just OpenAI this command, and we are sending our prompt to this GPT-4 mini, this model, and we are getting the response. Now I'm going to make this email generator, this AI applications that I'm going to create a little bit advanced. How? By adding Streamlit. Okay, so we are not only going to add Streamlit, but will also add something new which you have not learned from these previous videos. Means now I'm going to add a drop down, two drop down, and one text box and one text area. So we'll make this email generator itself better. Okay, so for this, what I'll do, I'll take here Streamlit, and as I'm using this virtual environment, so I already have this Streamlit installed in my environment and this OpenAI as well, right? So no need to install every time, just install it in the one virtual environment, and now I'm going to use that. So basically there is only one project, GenAI project, and inside that I'm just adding all these project files. So I'll write here import Streamlit, okay, as st. Got it? And this we need to import, right? We need to import OpenAI. Now after this, you see there is a topic, it equals to input. So now we are not going to take input from this command line, this terminal. I'm going to take directly from the user interface, means that's a web UI. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to first take a title of that specific UI. So I'll write here st.title, open close brackets in the double quotes, GenAI email generator AI application. I can write like this. Now, just after this, I want to add one emoji. So from my keyboard, I'll press Windows dot, and then I'll put here email. And you see, I can take it anyone. I'll go with this way. Okay, just to make the screen, the UI feel better, the look better, I'm just taking this emoji. Okay, just after the title, I want to take one either markdown, or I'll take it just normal, right? Generate professional email in just 2 minutes, right? This is I want to show just below that title. After that, my first input is for user to select or type the topic for which user wants the model to write email or draft an email. So see, I'll take here. So I'll say st dot. I'll take input. Sorry, I'll say text input. St dot text input. That's a text box. Open close brackets in the double quotes. Label as a. I want to say email subject or email topic. Email topic, and I'll put here star. That will say that this is a mandatory field. I'll save it. Just below that, I want to add one email type. An email type, I want to make it a drop down. So I don't want to just make it only for the specific to the you know leave request or the client. I want to put it like multiple things here in the drop down. And based on the email type, we can send that request to the this model. So I'll put here st dot. Now to show a drop down, we need to use select box, right? Select box will give you a drop down. Open close brackets in the double quotes. First we need to pass the label, right? So I'll say select anyone or select one, and now I'll put here star to make it you know mandatory, or we can remove this because by default I want to select anyone. After that comma, you see the options sequence in the bracket never like that. So what do you want to show? So in this way we can type here. So options will be means the options means whatever value that you want to show in the drop down, that will be your options. So we need to pass it in this way. So in the double quotes, whatever the, options I'll pass here, whatever text I'll write here, that will become a value, the options for the drop down. So I have listed down few things that I want to put here. So I'll take these. Like the email type means I want to write an email for the client communication, for project update, for the follow up email, for the meeting request, for the leave request, or for escalations email. So I have list of email type. I'll put it inside this. Okay. Just after this, just below this, I want to take one more drop down. So one more select box. And then this time, this is for the email tone. So now this topic we have already taken. I'll delete this. Now I want to, so basically we took tone from the user. Now this time I'm taking, again we are going to take the input from user but from the user interface. So I'll take here a tone, comma, again this will be an option. So open close bracket, and inside that this three will be my tone. So I want to write email in this professional tone or friendly tone or formal tone, or like friendly as you can say casual, like that. So I'll take these three. Inside this I'll pass it. So these three are my options. Just after I want to give one text area, so I'll take st dot text area, basically a big size of text input. Once I run that, you can see it how does it look like. Now in the double quotes, again the label str of this text area. So I'll say any additional information you want to give. So if user wants to give any additional information, so that model can read that part and then draft um, a better email, right? So let's say if we talk about leave request, so my topic will be for the leave request, like email topic or email subject will be leave request, but any additional information means I want to put like my details in the this text area. So that will be like you know a leave request for 2 days, uh, personal for the personal region, or anything that you want to put here. And based on that context, this model will write an email, a draft, or a response like that. Now all these things I'll take it inside our variable. So text input I'll take it here as a topic. So topic, this drop down as a email type. So I'll take it email type. This is tone. So I'll take it tone. This is another variable. And this is additional information. So I'll write here additional information. Okay. After this, I want to add one button. So it will be st dot button. And this will be generate email or draft email. Got it? Now, once user hits submit button, so I want to send the request to the this model, and model will reply with that responses. But I want to also check that do we have this field text input filled or not. So if user has entered these details in this input box, this email subject, then only the request should be sent to the server, means to the model. So what I'll do, I'll take here just below. So the first I'll say if topic double equals to blank. If it is blank, if there is no value in that input box, then I want to show a warning message. I can do like this way. Topic dot. I can take. I can trim this. Remove the white spaces. So to remove white spaces, empty spaces, we can use strip function. So I'll say topic dot strip equals to, if it is blank, then say uh, st dot warning message. So in this you learned this one as well, strip, which is used to remove the you know the white spaces, leading or trailing white spaces. So it will remove the white spaces here. And you learned select boxes, text area, right? Streamlit as well. Okay, now st dot warning message. Please enter email subject or topic, right? Now if user has already entered this, then else part. Now in the else part, and what I can do, I can put this on the top because only I want to throw this, show this warning message only if user clicks on the button, otherwise no. So I'll take it if st dot button and then colon, means if it is true, then only I want to check this, right? So if, and then put this inside, and this else is for this, and then here I'll type that whatever like I want to do. So if now it means like this is not blank, so go to else. So I want to send the request. So before that I want to make a prompt. I want to prepare the prompt. So I'll write here a prompt equals to, I'll take here triple quotes. Why? You know, just to draft everything in the here. So dynamic, to make a dynamic prompt basically, we use this triple quotes. And then before that I'll write here F. Okay. You see here we use this, make it dynamic. We used F and then this tone, right? So now I'll not do this here. I'll change it. I'll take it prompt here. This one. First I'll write here what my prompt is. Write a complete email based on below details. Now come to this. Now what are the details that I want to pass? So I want to pass my topic. So I'll say topic in the brackets. I'll say topic. Okay. Down. I'll say tone. Now I'll pass tone here. So tone will be again variable tone. Now we have email type. Email type. So I'll say email type. Okay. So topic, email type, tone, and additional information. Additional information. Bracket additional information. Got it? Save it. Now I'll take this prompt and pass it here. Or if we can directly copy and paste here, right? After this, I'll take here response equal to client.responses.create, and then I'll pass two things. Model equal to GPT-4 Omni. I'm using this cheapest one. This is cheapest and best for this type of work. So GPT-4 Omni input equal to that prompt. After that, we'll be getting the response. So once the response is generated, instead of printing those things, I am not going to print now because I'm using Streamlit, so I can use st.write. So the first I'll say st.success. So I want to show the success message. Email generated successfully. So that's a successful message. So same as like warning message, warning will give you a warning like in the yellow color, and this will give you this detail with the green color. Now after that I'll take st dot write open close bracket. Then I'll pass here um, this response dot output underscore text. But one more thing I want to add. So let's say in between when we click on this button and it goes to else part, it's preparing those things and sending a request to the server. In between I want to, so let me put this outside here basically, here. Sorry, this would be matched with this one. I'll match this. Indentation is very very important here. I don't want to make this a part of this prompt only. I'll make it matching with this. Okay, now so I'll write here in the else part, I'll say with. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to take a spinner with st dot, sorry, I'll take st dot spinner, open close brackets double quotes. I'll say um, generating email dot. This is in progress. And the colon, and now I'll put everything inside that. Oh, sorry, I'll put it lowercase. And then after that, I want to put outside this one. Save it, and I'll go to this Control J. Here, once it selects that virtual environment here, now it has selected. Now I'll write here. So see, virtual environment. If you don't know about these things, how it shows that VENV here, you can watch my previous videos where I shown how to create this, how to activate the virtual environment. Okay, now after that I'll write here a Streamlit space run space the app name which I want to run. So I'll write here GenAI underscore email generator dot py. Hit enter. Sorry, so one thing here, one mistake we are doing, that we need to pass this inside. Sorry, we have this a part of, oh, this is here. I'll take this here. Okay, after that I'll take this with here. Save it, rerun this. Okay, now if I'll click generate email, what will happen? It will throw a warning. It will show a warning message, say please enter email subject or topic. Means we need to enter this. Now how does it look like this, right? See, this is the title. If you want to make it small, we can remove something. Okay, let's put here something. So I'll take this first one as a leave request. Okay, now I'll select this from the email type. I'll say leave request. Tone will be profes- professional email. Additional information I'll put here. I need leave for 2 days due to personal work, and then I'll click on generate email. Once I'll click generate email, you see it says that generating email. That's a spinner, and after that email generated successfully. That's your success message. And here is your complete email, right? We have dear subject dear, and then manager's name you can enter here. Then start date and end date you can enter here. here, best regards, your name, your position, your contact information that you can enter here. So this is the complete email. That's why I mentioned in the code a complete email, right? Now one thing we can change here, select one. Instead of that, what I can do, I can put it like email type, save. Now I'll rerun this and see this looks like good, right? Email type. Now I have another, you know, input. So this time this will be project status update, and email type will be project update. And this is my additional information that project completed successfully and deployed to production. So what is happening here? It will take these details from here, take the email type value from here, take the tone value from here, take this value, and it will pass it to these, these prompts. See these details. Now let's click generate email. Generating email, and it looks good. See, this is the project status update. I hope this message finds you well. I'm pleased to inform you that the project has been successfully completed and has been deployed to production. Got it? Each and everything. So now this time your name, your position, your company name, your contact information, everything has been successfully captured in this email draft. So see how we changed from our basic email generator, that AI application, with the with the use of now Streamlit, we have changed it to the advanced level, and now this becomes a very professional with this UI, right? This can be deployed later on. While clicking on that, we can have an option Streamlit Community Cloud, Snowflake, or any other platforms we can deploy that. We'll also learn this later on. We'll try with the trial basis. Okay, so you learned how to use Streamlit, how to pass the data into the drop down box, how to use text area, and you have created another project, GenAI project, for the email generator. I hope this video is useful. If so, please like this video and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.